Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Bitcoin from XMO to Bitrue in 2025. Whether you're looking to switch exchanges for better rates, security, or just managing your crypto portfolio, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and Bitrue, and that your Bitcoin is securely stored in your XMO wallet. Always double-check your balances and verify your accounts with two-factor authentication for added security. It's 2025, after all, and crypto scams are everywhere. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Funds, section. Here, you'll see your Bitcoin balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Step 2. Select Bitcoin from your wallet and choose the Withdraw or Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Copy the Bitcoin address from your Bitrue account. Remember, Bitcoin transactions use the BTC network, so ensure you're selecting the correct one to avoid any fees or delays. Step 3. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits on XMO and network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Double-check everything before hitting confirm. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Step 4. Review the transaction details, including the destination address and fees. Once you're satisfied, confirm the withdrawal. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will be broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Now, while you wait for the transfer, which could take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour depending on network traffic, keep an eye on your Bitrue account. Once it arrives, you'll see the Bitcoin in your wallet there. A quick tip. In 2025, with evolving regulations, always stay updated on any KYC requirements or exchange-specific rules for transfers. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to send Bitcoin from XMO to Bitrue. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.